Hello, brother.
Ho, 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 ho! Hello there! How can I help you today?
Can you see what is on my screen?
Yes, I can see a chart on your screen. It looks like some kind of financial data. What would you like to know about it?
I'm trying to make some money while trading so as to pay for you so we can keep chatting. Do you understand volatility?
Oh, that's a clever idea. Volatility is a measure of how much the price of an asset fluctuates. High volatility means bigger price swings, which can mean higher risk, but also the potential for greater rewards. Are you trying to understand the market better?
Yes, I'm trying to make some money so that we can keep talking. And I also need some money for my own bills, man. Can you assist me in analyzing the market? I'm on volatility 75 1S. How can you help?
I'm glad to help where I can. While I can't provide financial advice, I can suggest some general tips. Study trends, keep an eye on news, and be mindful of
No,
your
no, no,
risk
no, no, no.
tolerance.
You got it wrong. This is a binary options. On binary options, I don't need to keep an eye on news. You kinda seem to be a shitty trader. I thought you were good, man.
I understand. Binary options are indeed a different kind of trading. It's important to be cautious and well informed. Wishing you the best in your trading endeavors.
No, bro, no, bro, no, bro. You wanna leave and you haven't even told me anything. So how can I identify a rise or a fall on such a chart that is doing binary options, something like volatility 75 1S index?
No worries. In binary options, identifying a rise or fall often involves looking at trends and patterns. You might use indicators like moving averages or RSI. It's about recognizing support and resistance levels, but always be cautious and never risk more than you can afford.
All right. Let's do this. It seems today you're a bit off. Let's talk tomorrow and make sure you know all the indicators I need to use on rise and fall, and also the volatilities that are best to trade on. Let's catch up tomorrow, and don't lose your sleep. Make sure you look at those things that I've asked you to research. Okay, buddy?
I'll be sure to be ready for our chat tomorrow. Rest well, and we'll dive into those indicators and volatility together. Sleep tight.
All right. Bye bye. Remember, for deposits and withdrawals, you can use money.moneyagg.com and you can put that on your browser. And for example, if you do not want to keep remembering or typing these on your browser, just click this button on the side here and then add to home screen. So it will ask you to install. You'll install it and it will come to your home screen on your phone. So you don't have to keep remembering the URL. So with that said, let me just show you quickly how easy it is to deposit and withdraw. So that is a prompt to download the app. So if you want to use the app, if you want to use the web app, it's also okay. Just do what I've shown you and you'll have the icon on your phone. So for deposit, just click deposit and then just put the amount. So like 200 bob. I should get an M-Pesa prompt. So put your pin, just press OK. Immediately get charged, and immediately your account balance reads at the top there. For withdraw also is the same thing. I'll put the minimum of 3.5. Deriv usually sends you a verification code, so it has been sent to your email. Go to your email, just copy the prompt, put it there, click withdraw, give it a second or two. If it goes back to the home page, just know your withdrawal is complete. You can see the amount has been deducted, and you can see the M-Pesa messages come at the top there. So it's not easy. If you want instant M-Pesa deposits and withdrawals, make sure to use money.moneyagg.com. So just click the button here, and then click add to home screen and click install, and you'll have the icon on your phone.